Hi there. Welcome back. In our previous section, actually we are continue for this delete action. So now before the delete, we just need to continue from the model pop-up. You need it. So just put the delete model pop-up. That's it. And now before the deleted, we just placing the first model div. Looks like here. Just close the div. Look at that. This is the remove actually model field. So delete confirm model. Okay, and this is the by default theme pop up. And I also share the theme link for our video description as well. Or if you don't find that, you just ping me via YouTube or WhatsApp, whatever of your, and just the tip content and just pop up. And now actually we just pick the model and looks like, yeah, okay, fine. Now we just pick the model body as well. This the model header, which is segment. This is the model body part. And now we just put the two button actually footer. I just, you will understand, I just put the code and go to the browser. Now here is this, so here is our model pop-up, and I'll show you actually. Look at that. Here is this JavaScript. This is the data as a model, and this is the example model toggle. So look like this. uh, Delete confirm model, and looks like the example toggle model JavaScript model delete category. Okay, I just you look at the delete confirm model. Here is this script. Okay, go to here. Here actually go to the first for category list. Just look at that, and I just click and look at that. This the model issue, and when the yes delete trigger is apply, then data will be show. I hope it will be work, but just no, the triggered action is not work. Okay, fine, and just close it. Okay, I just check actually why it's happened. Actually problem is clear. Look at that. And here is this, here was the category controller, and you will see this. We are not created any logic for the study purpose, so we need to make sure for create the logic. Okay, so I just forgot it. Okay, sometimes it will happen because of that. uh, just okay. Now this is the destroy function. Just pass the string id, and first of all grab the exact category, right? Yes. Yes, find the exact category and put the comment for if the image file is exist. So now the category images, if the category images, close the parenthesis, and now the image path in here. So find the actual image path. Whatever. Yes. If image path is exist, so then only, like previous image will be deleted. So okay, so when category is deleted and category related image should be automatically deleted. Yes. So now the category delete function, not function, actually query. So delete query and it's redirect to the admin in category index pages. So yes, so now go to the browser and check its work or not. And just keep reload once again. Just keep wait. It takes time. Okay. Now delete and try to delete. It's not work. Still not work. Okay, I just check actually the button is triggered or not. And just check. Go to the network and what's happening here. Just reload and delete. No problem is arise. Yeah. Actually delete. No trigger it happened. Okay, I will check. Just keep it. And now here is this. So we just find the issue actually. Look at that. Here is this. Our actually we need to create it a delete form as well. Otherwise it will not work. So here is this UL is completed and now this one. This is the delete form ID for the delete form and this is the delete category. And this delete category is called the Ajax in here. Look at that. It's a one click delete category and this is a confirm delete button click and this is the delete URL and look at that. This is the delete form and attribute action for delete URL submitted and delete URL, which is delete URL. Actually delete URL is here admin.category is because of that. We just created for resource controller. Okay. So definitely here is this. Look at that. This is the resource controller and resource controller means the delete category put the delete method as well. Okay, if you not properly understand, you just give me personal comment and I will teach you. Actually look at it. Here is the delete method and when you just got the edit, here is this put method. Okay, here is this put method. So every different URL resource controller put the separate segment for the method. So you need to understand actually where it's used. So now there is a form. I hope it will be work now. Go back to browser and check the continue. Is it perfect or not? Okay, once again just keep reload first and we just remove the and yes is deleted and yes. And look at that, this is the deleted and also remove the image icon as well. I just show you. Now here is this our actually go to our project directory and look at that. This is the public and this is the backend and look at the upload and here is this. Look at that, this is the category. All category image is showing in here. So look at that, here is this only one images and go to the user and you just see the user picture as well. Okay. When you upload in new images, these all look at it. Upload is a category currently one. So when you just upload other category images, then this type of image is showing here. Because of that, we just implemented for our trade for our public directory as well. Okay, I hope you will be understand. So friend, so our category module is completed. So next module we just started for product module. Go to the browser and share. And here you see that this is the product. Go to our project and look at that. Here is my products layout as well, design as well. So was completed the category. We definitely jump to the product as well. Actually, it is our main feature of our project, and to be honest, here is a lots of uh, things will be added. Look at that. This is the product information as well. So after completing the product information, we are also using. I just show you what happened. this product. Here is this is the setting purpose, and look at that. Here is this additional product size and optional item. Okay, and after, and another things is here is this, you just put in multiple images for one picture. For here is this, here is the multiple picture, but it's not showing in here. Before this we just delete it. Here is also deleted function as well, so I just upload in later. So I don't know why it's not showing in there, but actually image is shown in here. Okay, so go to our font end. So it's looks like here, go to the product. So image is missing, so somehow from our server. So in here, look at that, here is this spicy burger. Okay, and look at that, here is a several image. Actually this project is so beautiful, and look at that, users pick their user review as well. Look at that. Actually it's not the simple crude application project. Okay, it's a real world industry project. And also the chatting Tawk chat also implement is in here. So look at that, you just name email, put up your name email, and give the phone number, and started up your chat, and you can easily chat up your customer as well. And this Tawk chat is implement in here. Look at the section. I just forgot it. There is a lots of function in there, so just keep wait. Here is this e-commerce, and this is the coupon payment method. Just keep wait. Payment method, Razorpay, Stripe, our customers section, banner slider as well, counter app, blog, pages, setting maybe here. Look at that. This is a Tawk chat. Okay, and this is that. This is that. Okay, and live chat is active, and if you just inactive as well, I just show you actually how modify this project as well. So all available things, this control for, look at that, and just keep reloading here, and look at that. This is a Tawk chat is gone. Okay, look at that. The Tawk chat is gone, but you just put in active, and yes, and this project is very attractive, and this is a production ready project. And look at that, the chat application is working here. Okay, and here is this, here is this. So I believe so far this project is really awesome. If you are a student or beginner of Laravel developer, humble request to please follow the step by step this tutorial, and also all above the project in the GitHub as well. I just show you. And look at that, here is this our GitHub repo, and 3 star already. Some couple of guys has put the star as well. So I don't know. So just go to the commit, and here we just 9 commit yet. So I hope I'll try for this project is fully completed, and jump to the new project, and all available and started for new technology as well. Here is this later we just converted the app on React Native as well, and make the API and converted the React Expo framework to divert for native apps, Android and iOS as well. So if you really like our project and like our efforts, so humble request, just keep like and comment actually where you just seen this video, and actually how of your experience. So thank you so much, and let's see for our next video.